Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the short video in CapCut named Ini Bukan Cerpen, or in English that would be mean this is not a short story. So that kind of the one of the trending video, and also using the high beat music, or in bahasa Indonesia can be mean as Jedag Jedug music. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do is you can start to access this CapCut first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And don't worry, because this CapCut can be also installed or being accessed with your tab, iOS phone, or even the laptop guys. And after that you can also do the login or sign up with your email to get more facility or access to try this a lot of tool over here. And since we would like to create the video or short video, here I will click the template here, and after that I will type on the searching section, I will type here ini bukan cerpen, something like this. So you will see several template like this, and you can choose which one do you prefer. For example, I will choose this one. So basically the music will be like this. And after that you can start to use this template. Click down here, and after that you can also start to select a picture from your gallery. For example, I will choose some photo here, and after that, yes, you will see there is 4 section. I will start to choose one photo, and after that you need to upload the rest of 3 photo like this until it is fulfilled. Okay, actually 3 is enough. And after that you can continue to click next, and kindly wait for the generation process. So the output would be like this guys, and if you liked it, then you can continue to click export here, and you can continue to click export, and finally the video will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it at a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.